Hello everyone. Today you will try to guess the road signs. There will be 54 signs in total, and after each question I will give the correct answer. You will have 3 possible answers and one of them is right. And if you like the content we make and want to see more videos, like and subscribe, and let's go guess. What is this road sign? Right! This is debris zone. Also, at the end of the video, a super challenge awaits you. Can you guess all the signs? And most importantly, you'll get into the top commentators and get a cool bonus. Maybe you know what this sign is. Right, this is gusty area. Right, this is escape ramp. Right, this is ferry stop. Right, this is low-flying aircraft. Right, this is winding road. Right, this is tractor not allowed. Right, this is snow zone. Right, this is hitchhikers prohibited. Right, this is auto gate. Right, this is fenced paste. Right, this is sharp hazard. Right, this is payment required. Right, this is load limit. Right, this is gravel road. Right, this is slippery road. Right, this is no parking. Right, this is horse carriages permitted. Right, this is no stop required. Right, this is dip ahead. Right, this is brake check. Right, this is emergency stop only. Right, this is no turn allowed. Right, this is intersection alert. Right, this is blocking permitted. Right, this is road flat. Right, this is low clearance. Right, this is left merge. Right, this is stop only. Right, this is asphalt. Right, this is stay left. Right, this is steep drop. Right, this is winter closure. Right, this is merging traffic. Right, this is left lane ends. Right, this is state road. Right, this is bridge. Right, this is maintain space. Right, this is roundabout. Right, this is no bridge. Right, this is all vehicles. Right, this is soft shoulder. Right, this is no chains. Right, this is train crossing. Right, this is length limit. Right, this is no ice. Right, this is no road horn. Right, this is tunnel. Right, this is highway. Right, this is no left turn. Right, this is open route. Right, this is bike lane. Right, this is roadway merge. Right, this is pedestrian zone.